Okay. We're going for a walk. Come on. Show you guys the campsite. That was on my previous video. That's Bandit. He's not coming. Tide's not coming. There's the Jeep. See, I'm close enough to the highway that you could hear stuff. But it's you definitely need a four-wheel drive to get here, I think. So these campsites have one parking spot, one bench, all of them, and one pit. Like I say, there's 5. That's the last one. So people could park all along here. We got extra vehicles. I would even say, if nobody's here, I wouldn't bring a freaking trailer in here, but I wouldn't bring my motorhome. And I do some off-roading with my motorhome. So there it is. This is it. These guys were excited yesterday too, till that blizzard came. And when that blizzard came, man, I tell you, that was terrible. Like 30 miles per hour winds. Huh. So I just noticed 5's got a parking spot. 4 does not. Which is really weird. 4 does not have a parking, like, designated. Now there is these 2. I suppose that could be, but that sort of sucks. Because I wouldn't want to park my vehicle here and then camp over there. And then this is a double spot for 2 and 3. So, again, the Jeep, I love showing her off. So those solar panels, I got both of them on Amazon. Then they were like, one of them I got with the charging box and everything. And the other one, the one to the left, I got just the solar panel by itself. So they're 100 watts each. And I mainly bought it for my boat, because I go out to Catalina and is sort of a motorhome that floats. So it's a cabin cruiser. So I run those 2 on top of the awning. So, or the bimini cover. So, but it works. And now, I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can click it. I got my shades on. Well, we're at 14.3 volts. This is an awesome thing to have too. It's supposed to be a trash bag. I got it for a trash bag, but it's a cargo bag. So before I run out of 5 minutes, I'm gonna try and show you that it is charging at, in here, 14 volts. We're gonna go over 5 minutes. So, yeah. Yummy. So again, roof rack is a must. If you're gonna go camping like I do. I don't really care about an awning because I don't do summer camping in my Jeep because it's too freaking hot and I hate bugs. And that's why I got this. And it is a diesel heater. This is like a really good one. It's all in one. I'm not promoting anything, but that's why I don't mind getting to tell you. Just look for it. It's big. It's pretty large, but everything is inside, right? I mean, you don't have to have a separate fuel tank, or you just got to run that. And it doesn't come with this piping, and it doesn't obviously come with that bracket that I made for the window. This right here is for a dryer, and it works great. That's the exhaust. There is a muffler. I did not put it on because it's quite big. I don't want to travel with it. So, yeah, if you're going to do badass camping, get yourself a Jeep, 4-wheel drive. And if you have a winch, you don't necessarily need a locker, but it's definitely nice to have a locker, front and rear, because sometimes you may go places where you can't use the winch, where there won't be any big trees. Like here, there's big trees, but if I went to a place where it was just like trees like that, I may not be able to use them to get myself out of a situation. But lockers are definitely, and this is not a extravagant lift neither. It's just a Rubicon. I believe it was a 5.5 inch. It's an old one. I had this for a long time, 20 years maybe. But I did get the spacers to level it out because front coil system sort of lean to one direction sometimes. That's King of the Hammers. That I really messed my Jeep up. That's I hurt my Jeep pretty good. But I bent it out of the way. The hood opens and it runs like a champ. So, yeah. Ooh, I showed you my my license plate. I don't know if you guys know the original Safari. You guys ever been? This is 2003. That's when I started. The only other one you could read is 5, 6. So I went all the way to 8. So 3, 4. Yeah. This one right here, you can read. It was another Safari. Weird. Big Bear. But yeah, this Jeep is awesome. I beat on it, and it just keeps going. So, whew, that's a good Bloody Mary. Ooh. There's Titan. Again, that dude's gone through cancer. Spleen removed. He's doing excellent. Turkey tail mushroom extract and dandelion root extract. Try it. Have a good one. Enjoy camping. Hey, if you ever go camping, please clean up after yourself, man. Clean up stuff that other idiots don't pick up neither, because it doesn't hurt. So, yeah, make sure your campsite is way cleaner than it was when you got there, because some people are douchebags. Here, for instance, I'll show you when I got here. Some douchebag put this. So, see that? That looks like a dog poop bag. I'm not going to pick it up right now, but I'm taking it when I go home. So, okay. Later.